4th day. So currently I am in the kitchen. I'm in the kitchen. This is like 3:40 something a.m., maybe 3:45 p.m. Like this is 3:45 p.m. This is, you know, I love cook. So I'm going to school. Like I'm not coming back till Saturday. So I'm currently in the kitchen. Want to cook, you know. Now I want to cook. I just want to cook rice and stew. So while I was coming this morning, because I was not at home for the past 2 days, so for the past 2 days I've not been at home. So while I was coming, I got pepper. Really don't have any food stuff in this house, but I got pepper, rice, what's it called, ororo, everything. And the reason is that I am packing out of this house with Abby. So I'm packing out. I'm supposed to show you. Okay, let me show you to really know that I am packing small. So by in the next 2 weeks, I'm gonna move out of this place. So let me just show you, just to give you, can you see that, yeah, see, I'm packing. I'll move this to parlor, to sitting room. See, this is my plate rack. You see, like I'm packing small. These are my cup. I just feel like I should carry you guys along. I'm going to show you the packing process, you know. But for now, it's like I'm going to move my thing to that flat, and I've not talked to the woman yet, but I believe it's going to agree. So then I'm supposed to go out today, I mean this week or next week, for house hunting. But this is December time, you know. Really don't want to rush anything. Anytime I rush into things, I used to regret it. So I've learned that lesson. I don't rush into things. I make sure I take my time, like my time, before doing anything. So by next year, I'm going to go out and look for a better house. So right now, really want to put rice on the gas and cooking time. I realized I don't have much fish at home again, like it's very small. So this is the onion, the tomato, and the pepper is still here. So the next thing now is I want to pack my books. So guys, these are the books I'm taking to school. Though I'm supposed to take more than this, but since I'm coming home on Saturday, I mean on Friday, so I'm not coming back home with all of these. I'm going to put them on campus. Then when I'm going on Saturday, I'll take the rest along. So because see, me and luggage, we are not friends at all. Alright, so I'm currently in my room right now. So these are the clothes I'm taking to tomorrow. This one is next tomorrow. I'm coming home on Friday or Saturday. So, and this is the bag I will use. Right? That's my roller, my body spray. They don't want to forget it. And I still have books. These are my research book. Like, what I mean by research book is if I want to know about things, like I want to gain knowledge about things. So actually literally new things, yeah. So this is it, and I'm always with these books because I love them so much. Ish. So now I will pack them inside the bag. I am almost done. So I'm going with this. This is my hair cream, hair growth. I love to go with it because I'm not going with week. I'm going to manage this hair till weekend. So actually can't sit down to make hair right now. So this is hair growth. This is my lip gloss, my oil, and then I would like to go with powder. So I like to go with butter in case, in case I want to eat bread. I like to go with this. And with my precious cup. I love this cup so much. Still have my Coke. My special mirror. So see, my face has not changed. So I'm waiting for the rice and then fry the pepper, pack the food. This is past 5 and I'm very sure by 6 the bike man should be here. I don't like calling that person bike man because he's not my bike man. No, he's just want to help me to school anyway. So he's not a bike man, okay? He's not a bike man. So guys, yeah, this is my food, my friend's food. This is stew. This rice, and then with butter. I'll show you the butter the other side. Butter. So these are food, at least for tonight. You're not going to waste money on food, like buying food. So I can eat and be okay. So guys, I'm done. All I need to do is to pack. Guys, I am done packing, done eating. Actually, yes, I eat. I was hungry. I only ate plantain and eggs since the morning. So I'm not going to apply anything because it's getting late and I'm going to study all through the night. So what's the point? I'm not going to apply anything. I actually want fresh air. My face needs fresh air. So I'm just going to cover my head with this. So just cover my hair with this, and then I pray that my friend is on campus, though I'm going to call before. Thinking, like, I thought I could go with this ring light, but I can't because I don't have space. There's no space for this stripe, for this ring light. So I'm going along with those small ones, those small, very, very small. But yeah, that's just it. My earring, I'll go inside and check pick my earring up, and as I'm going, I am calling because it's getting late already, and I would not like to, I love you guys. Stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm going to show you everything going. I'm going to make videos on campus. I'm going to show you my nice studying. I'm going to tell you everything about this study thing very soon. Just keep calm, keep praying for me, to pass my exam, and then we will now start vlogging. Oh my god, So guys, me I can't see you guys, oh, but me I can't see myself. So I'm on campus now. I'm in school right now. I've seen my friend again. The only one friend I have in this UI. So it's been long, seriously. So we are going to seek all. Actually want to check someone there. So see how I'm breathing. I just finished eating though. Let me breathe. So this is Olumide. I'm very sure people have seen him. Olumide, say hi. Hi. You've seen him many times on my channel. So yeah, this is me. We are on our way right now, and as you can see, it's late. This should be around past 8 or to 9. Past 8. Past 8. Like yeah. So yeah, just come along with us. I'm not with my tripod. My tripod is there. Yeah. Don't come close. Guys, see, there's no light. Now I don't know if I'm going to sleep all through the night because there's no light to study. And I wanted to come with my, what was it called?